What is up, everyone? Today we're reviewing Agent Opus, the brand new AI tool from Opus Clip. They're calling it the first AI video agent for social media. Sounds big, right? Can it really turn any idea into a polished video from scratch? Let's break down what it does. So, what is Agent Opus exactly? It's completely different from regular Opus Clip. Regular Opus Clip takes your long videos and turns them into short clips. Agent Opus does the opposite. It creates entire videos from nothing. You give it a text prompt, an article link, or even just an idea. And Agent Opus then researches the topic, writes a script, binds visuals from the web, creates motion graphics, adds voiceovers, and puts everything together in a finished video. Think of it like hiring a full creative team, but it's AI. 9 different AI agents work on your video. One handles the hook, another does storyboards, one creates motion graphics, and so on. What makes Agent Opus special? First, it pulls real-world content from across the internet. New clips, social media posts, stock footage, whatever fits your video. Second, it creates custom motion graphics. No generic AI look. Everything matches your style. Third, you can clone your own voice for the voiceover. Upload a sample, and the AI copies your voice. Fourth, there's something called style match. Show it a reference image and Agent Opus copies from these colors, fonts, and design elements. You stay in control too. Every scene can be edited before the final render. It's not fully automatic though, if you don't want it to be. Here's the catch. Agent Opus is still in beta. You can't just sign up and use it right now. You need to join a waitlist on their website. Early users report it's slow right now because it's still being tested. Creating longer videos can take a while, but the beta isn't perfect yet. That's expected for a new technology. What about the cost? Nobody knows yet. Agent Opus isn't included in the current Opus Clip plans. Those start at free, then $15 for starter, and $49 for pro. Who should actually use this? Well, Agent Opus is perfect for faceless video channels. You know, those explainer videos with no person on camera, just visuals, voiceover, and information. It's great for quickly covering trending news or current events. So, is Agent Opus the best AI video generator for social media? Right now, it's too early to say for sure. The tech looks amazing, but it's still in beta with slow speeds and limited access. For faceless channels and news content, this could be a game changer. Just manage your expectations until it fully launches. Thanks for watching, guys.